Welcome back. In my last video, I spoke about how men overcome stress. Today, this video is all about how women overcome stress. When a woman is under stress and overwhelmed, she finds relief by talking in great detail about her various types of problems. When she starts to talk, she does not stick to any order. If she is upset about it, big or small. In this process, she talks about past problems, future problems, and even problems which has no solutions at all. In this manner, she touches upon her problems, worries, disappointments, frustrations, which at times may not be logically related to the main issue. If she feels that she is heard and cared, her stress gradually disappears. If she feels that she is not heard and understood, she may then be upset about more problems. And to add to this, in order to forget her own worries and problems, she may become emotionally involved in the problems of others. In any case, talking is a healthy and natural reaction to stress which she is presently undergoing. A woman may make certain comments as a way of expressing her worries, which will, however, frustrate her male partner, who is the husband, unless he understands that this is the way how she will feel better by talking about her problems. If the husband does not understand why his wife is saying all these things, if he thinks and feels that his wife is trying to blame him for all the problems, then he gets confused and he tries to find the connection or relevance to what his wife is trying to say, and then he becomes impatient. At this point, the husband has to realize that she is not blaming him or looking for a solution, but expects only his caring and understanding. If the husband does not do this, matters may go out of hand, then the blame game gets into play. Generally, listening is a difficult thing for a man, especially when there is no logic or sequence in what his wife is saying. After she speaks about few problems, he becomes extremely confused and frustrated, trying to relate these problems. Another reason why a man cannot tolerate continuous listening to various issues is that he is looking for the bottom line. What is she trying to say? Where is the bottom line? What is the mistake I did? However, she is saying so many things and he just cannot understand where or what the problem is. He cannot plan his solutions and answers until and unless he knows what the issue is, because he thinks his wife is asking for solutions. Therefore, to make things easier and less complicated, she should let him know in advance the outcome of the story and then give relevant details. She should come direct to the problem without keeping him in suspense. But women usually enjoy to let the suspense build up because it brings feelings into the story, it brings about some drama and the whole fun and frolic. When a woman talks to another woman, there is no issue in this. Woman to woman, there is no issue. Wife to wife, there is no issue. This build up has no effect at all during such circumstances and occasions. But a man can easily get frustrated with all these things. So therefore, my advice for all those ladies out there, when they talk to their husband especially, come direct to the point, the issue, and then let him know what it is. And men, husbands, please understand that women like to talk and give them their due. And that's all for this week. Bye.